Now, new COVID-19 cases in South Korea on Wednesday climbed back above the 400 mark ahead of the by-elections for the mayors of Seoul and Busan in a couple of weeks. The Prime Minister is urging everyone to be on their guard against potential outbreaks. Eum Ji-young with more.
South Korea's number of new virus cases has bounced back to surpass the 400 mark. The country reported 428 new infections, up 82 from the previous day, bringing the total caseload to 99,846. Among newly added cases, 411 were locally transmitted, and nearly 75% of those were from the capital Seoul and the surrounding areas. Over the last 7 days, the number of daily cases has topped the 400 mark 6 times. Considering the rise in cluster infections across the country, health authorities will decide whether to adjust social distancing level on Friday. 2 weeks ahead of by-elections slated for April 7th, Prime Minister Chung Se-kyun said it is important to go all out to prevent the spread of the virus.
The full-fledged election campaigning begins tomorrow. Last April, we successfully held a general election where the whole nation participated. Although this year's by-election is smaller in size, we should remain on guard against potential outbreaks. Back then, the daily new infections ranged in the 20s, but now the country is reporting 300 to 400 cases per day.
During a daily interagency meeting on the COVID-19 response on Wednesday, the Ministry of the Interior and Safety introduced election-focused measures to allow safe proceedings. Polling stations will be installed inside COVID-19 treatment centers so that those who are being treated for COVID-19 can vote. Those under self-quarantine but with no symptoms and are confirmed negative will be able to vote at polling stations at a separate time slot. And local governments will also support disinfection work at the polling stations and ballot count locations. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.